I'm Victor Collett. I'm Operations Manager of Business Services. And we sort approximately 40 tonnes to 45 tonnes of recycling a day. The product is made up of paper and cardboard, aluminium, steel cans, plastics and glass. We currently have 35 people with a disability working at recycling. We've had a number of employees that have gained different licences, be it forklifts, car licences. We've had a few even achieve a truck licence. They've been through a number of different courses over the years. They are so proud of themselves when they achieve their licence. The interaction with the guys is great. Most of them are happy 99% of the time. Nothing seems to get them down. It's more a social day for them rather than a day at work. Working at recycling, the employees get qualifications, experience, but most of all they get a lot of self-esteem.